Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Tony from Homeowner Repair, and in this video I'm going to do a before and after video of the railings on my steps behind me. The paint on them is about 7 years old. Painted them a while ago. It's all starting to chip off, so I've got to go over them again. So what I'm going to use is the BEHR paint with the primer built in for exterior. It's ultra white. I'm going to show you in the video how it covers. I've used a lot of the BEHR products in the past. You can find it at Home Depot. That's where I picked it up from. And it tends to cover well. I've used a lot of their products in the interior of my house, bits and pieces of exterior parts. So I've had a lot of success with the product. So I'm going to kind of coat these stairs. I just got finished power washing them the other day, so I just scraped off any loose paint. I'm going to wipe down some of the dirt that's on them, and I'll show you how the paint applies and a before and after video of what the railings look like. Let's get started on this. So here's a close-up view of the peeling paint, chipping paint on the railings that I have. And this is what it looks like. I kind of have to power wash some mold and stuff on there. We get most of it off. Scraped it all down. I have the pressure washer and a link in this video in the description. If you want a halfway decent pressure washer to do small stuff around the house, it's in the description link. Click over and you can buy it out of our Amazon store. And the rest I just kind of scraped with the paint scraper. It's kind of an old paint scraper that I had. There's newer stuff on the market, but these have been around for a while. So with the pressure washer, it didn't take off. I hand scraped it with that. I just kind of had to go around it real quick. Here's what the other side looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up the paint and we'll start applying the paint. Here is what the other railing looks like. So it's about time. It definitely needs a coat before the winter. We're up here in New England and get some pretty tough weather up here. A lot of blizzards, rainstorms, stuff like that. Alright, so here goes nothing. It's nothing like a fresh coat of paint on some old railings to brighten them up again. Stuff applies easily, applies well. You can see that it fills in and it covers like the places that would chip really well. And again, this has the primer built in. This is what the paint looks like. It's the semi-gloss enamel exterior pure white paint. So here we go, covering some more. Applies really easy. Probably gonna hit it with 2 coats, but we'll see what this looks like when it dries. It goes on pretty good. It covers really well. I like using this paint. I've used it, like I said in the beginning of the video, I've used it on a lot of my interior walls. And on the exterior of the house, we used a competitor's paint that's supposed to be very well known, lifetime guarantee, and after 4 years, it'll look like crap. So I've switched over to a lot of the Home Depot paints. I've had really good luck with the stuff. So I have 1 coat applied to this railing over here. It's pretty much dry. I'm going to apply a 2nd coat. You can see that's kind of sucked into the wood a little bit where there was no paint. It was down the bare wood, but it covered really well. So I'm going to come over here and hit this railing, and by the time I'm done this, I should be able to go back to the other one, do a 2nd coat on it, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, I've been at this for a couple hours. I have 1 coat on both railings. The other side is dry. Just finished this other side. I've been at this for so long, I feel like the Karate Kid, up, down, right? I've been going at this for half the day now. But working with this paint, it goes on pretty easily. It seems to sink into the wood really well. And I like it. It's been working very good. And let's go take a close-up of it real quick before we put that 2nd coat on. So here is the first set of railings that I did. It's dry to the touch, and it's been drying for a couple hours, but it looks really good. So I'm going to hit it 1 more time with the 2nd coat, and kind of got into all the nooks and crannies. This is this railing I just finished, and it covered very well as well. And up to the top, and you can see that it adhered to the railings really good. So I'm going to hit this 1 more time with the 2nd coat on both sides, and we'll wrap it up. So finally done the railings. with the second coat of paint, looks pretty awesome. They're nice and bright and white again, and they really renewed these railings. Let's take a closer look so you guys can see how it came out. So here's what they look like, and we kind of get a close-up picture of the paint. I literally just finished putting everything away. Came out really good. Second coat covered really well. I like that paint. It's pretty good stuff. If you have any questions, you have a comment on the channel, I'll reply back to. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of great content coming out. You don't want to miss out on anything. Thanks for watching.